Unpackaged. It is from China. And within the package is bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap and tape. This is the most exciting part of our packages. Listen. It's the sound of knuckles cracking. Except it's not actually knuckles cracking. I'm making a video, Avi. Would you like to be in the video? I'm unboxing some cubes.
Sure.
Alright, cool. Alright, everybody. This is Avi.
Hey.
He's a cuber. He also lives on my floor.
Barely.
Well, you're sub 30. You have a sub 30 official single. That's
I do,
something.
that's true.
That's something, right? It's a 27. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I guess you know.
Okay, one of the cubes fell out. This is...
Bye.
Alright, see Avi.
See ya.
This is the MoYu Tangpo. The blue and the green are like a little less bright than the older MoYu cubes. Ooh. There we go. Incredibly fast. Not popping. Really fast. Very sandy feeling. Something like a... Oh, what the heck? Oops. There's something in it. Oops. Well, there's something in the core. It's just a piece of plastic. But this is interesting. I think this definitely needs some working in though. I'm assuming this is the Tangpo too. 2 layers magic cube Tangpo. So these are cubes that I got straight from MoYu. Thanks to them for sending these to me. I'm not going to unbox the second one because it's probably the same as this one, except without the little thing in the middle. This is the AoLong GT. And if I can get my webcam to point down again, box. Oh, look at this. You see what's not on this? Plastic wrap. No plastic wrap. Whoa. This feels a lot like the Tangpo. Whoa, this is pretty sick. Oh, it comes apart really easily. Well, not like this, but when you just take 2 out. Does it corner twist? Nope. I can feel, like, when I'm taking this out, there are, like, little things on... Yeah, you can see that on the camera. Like, that is preventing corner twists. Doesn't lock up, though. Okay, out-of-the-box corner cutting is almost lined up. It is line to line on the other side, like this. This will cut when I do an R prime from your angle. What? That's nuts. Not really digging these stock shades though. I'm gonna have to switch. I love the feeling of this cube. Absolutely love it. If this thing is anything like the... If this thing gets better with lubing, like I'm assuming it does, I will be so happy. And I have a second one here. This one feels different. You can even hear that sound. That one's like hollow. This one's a lighter click. Is this still an AoLong GT? Yeah, they're both AoLong GTs. These both feel very different from each other. Wow. These are good. Jeez. Andy, if you're watching this video, or if anyone's watching this video who knows Andy, tell him he needs to lube these cubes because, oh my god, these are gonna be amazing!